Hello everyone, so if you want to set up a mobile hotspot on your Vivo X80 Pro, first of all open up your settings. Alright, now press network and internet, press SIM card and press hotspot and tethering and enable your Wi-Fi hotspot. Now let's tap on our Wi-Fi hotspot. Let's tap on hotspot name, let's give it some custom name. So it's gonna be Hotspot 999, press OK. Now we are to choose one-time mobile data usage. I'll leave it on unlimited, right? Sounds good. You are to choose your security protocol. I recommend leaving it on the standard one. Now we are to change the password because there is some automatically generated one. However, I recommend just to create your own one. So it has to be at least 8 characters long. Do that. And basically that's it. Now our hotspot is available. So how do you turn it on or off in a fast way? You are to swipe down from the top of your screen, swipe down again, and here find your hotspot icon. So as you see now it's still available. To disable it, simply tap on it and it will be disabled. To enable it again, tap on this icon once again, and now it's back again. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.